and give a little bit of an overview about my experience with HelloFresh. Everything that I tried out of the 3 meals that I did videos on was delicious, like restaurant quality in my opinion. I didn't really have any complaints. I know a lot of people said that sometimes the ice packs burst and get all over the food and you have to throw it all away, and I heard that, but I didn't have any of that. The only thing it's not really a complaint, it's more before you buy this, make sure you know this, because I was under the impression that every single thing I would need would be in the box. And for the most part it is, besides things like salt and pepper, oils, butter, which isn't really a problem because those are staples in your house. But when I was making a meal last night, I was out of butter, and luckily my mom lives 50 foot away and brought me butter and I was able to finish it. But you do have to have some staples in your house to make these meals, but for the most part everything comes with it and it's all delicious, so I've had a good experience. Oh. Okay, I also wanted to say that this video is not sponsored. I've always wanted to say that. No, but it's not. It's just, I really wanted to try it, and honestly I want to try some other boxes like that, like Home Chef and Blue Apron, so I may do that in the future too. But I've been really impressed. Blah 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 blah. Really impressed with HelloFresh so far.